Hello. These red and yellow wires, they are JK. We have the RS latch right here, which is the clock. So if I put J for 1 and K as 0 and then press the clock, Q lights up to 1. And if you put J as 0 and K as 1 and press the clock, it should turn, yeah, Q is 0. And then if you put 1 1 and click the clock, Q should be 1 because it toggles. See, if you keep pressing the clock, it goes 0 1 0 1. But if you put Q as 1 and then go to 0 0, the Q should not change if you press the clock. See?